Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sinh s to the power of 4, we can put into sinh s square multiplied by sinh s square. Next, we have 2 square over 2 square. The reason I need to do this one because I want to put number 2 with cosh s, sinh s inside the square. And this one we can write into 2 cosh s sinh s to the power of 2. Next, we have the formula in here. 2 cosh s sinh s we change for sinh 2s. The next one, sinh s square, we have cosh 2s minus 1 over 2. So this one we have 1 over 4. This one we change for sinh 2s. This one we change for this one. So we put number 2 go outside and we have 1 over 8. And we have cosh 2s minus 1. This one multiplied by this one and number 1. About sinh 2s to the power of 2, we change like this, but now that's about cosh 4s. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sinh 2s. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have du equals to 2 cosh 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. Cosh 2s ds we change for du over 2. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. And this one is about u to the power of 3 over 6 plus c. About u, that's about sinh 2s. This one we can separate them in here. Negative with negative, that's why we have positive 1 over 2. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of this one, we have this one. The integration of cosh 4s, we have 1 over 4 sinh 4s. The last one is about s over 2, and we put about c. This one we have 1 over 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.